Movement against taxing of sanitary napkins gains traction. The Maharashtra Navnirman Sena met Finance Minister Arun Jaitley and urged him to roll back 12% tax and install napkin vending machines in schools and colleges. In fact, MNS General Secretary Shalini Thakre pointed out that this was an opportunity for the government to correct a wrong and prevent injustice, since the government's decision to tax sanitary napkins reeked of gender inequality, as condoms had managed to evade the GST. Mirror Now spoke to MNS General Secretary Shalini Thakre after the meeting, and here's what she had to say.
Just to say that sanitary napkins altogether should be made tax-free is somehow saying that we should work for the big manufacturers and the multinationals. So keeping that in mind, we have given two major suggestions. One is that the manufacturers today are making non-biodegradable napkins. They should be brought under the Essential Commodities Act so that there is a price cap on it. They cannot exceed a particular price. Also, it should be made mandatory for these organizations to be involved with their CSR activity and adopt colleges and secondary schools and put in these sanitary napkin vending machines and incinerators, which are definitely required today. Every girl, every woman has a problem of what should she do, where should she throw this. For that you need an incinerator, and that I think should be made available by these organizations. The second part of it is that if you have to make it tax-free, then it should be the domestic manufacturers, it should be the self-help groups who should be making these biodegradable napkins, and they should be made tax-free. I think today we need to give this kind of subsidies and bring a different technology into this particular sector.
Any kind of assurance that you've received from Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on this entire issue, which of course a lot of people have also raised in the past as far as the GST is concerned?
I'm very happy to say that he actually has heard us, heard our suggestions, and really gone through our suggestions very much in detail. He agrees that it is a very necessary issue, it is a very important issue, and definitely has to be dealt with not only on the state level, it also has to be looked into by the central government, and he's assured us that he will be doing that very soon.